All right, now that you have physically attached your microbit to the breakout board, you have added in your Climate Kit extension. We're now going to get into the coding of the microbit. We're going to start with our basic on start. And I'm going to choose to have an icon so that when it is on and ready to go, I know it shows me on the microbit screen. Now we want to be able to control our pump. We're going to be using our microbit buttons to control the pump, and we need to go and access that from our pump menu. So we need to bring a pump icon in, and we also need to go up to our inputs, and we need to bring our buttons, our button inputs in, and we're going to need 2 of them. So we're going to drag and drop our block into the button A. This is going to run a pump at speed. So you know what pump you want. The breakout board actually has room for 2 pumps. So the first pump is on the right-hand side and the other pump is on the left-hand side. You know this when looking at it, it's on the right. So I need to go change my left pump to right. I'm going to set my speed for about 50-ish%. I don't want it to go everywhere, and we're going to set it for about 5 seconds. All right. And when it's done, I want it to show me an icon. And that icon is going to be a satisfied, happy-faced plant. But let's say something happens and I need to turn my pump off. I need to program that pump. So I'm going to go to my pump menu and I'm going to bring my stop block in. You can see that this one is yellowed out. It's because the computer is saying you've got 2 operations for the button A. So I need to switch that to button B. And I also need to add an icon to that as well. And we will give that icon the check mark. So that's all I need in order to work my water pump. So now I'm going to attach my microbit using the white micro USB cable. I know it's attached because I now have that red light on it. I'm going to download my file. So I'm going to click on download, and you can see that it's already got the microbit selected, but I'm going to click on the microbit and I'm going to move my big head and I'm going to save. I know that it's downloading because of that yellow pulsing light. All right, the light has stopped pulsing. I turn it around. And just like in the code, it's on start, it's going to show me my heart. Now, here is my water pump that I've attached. Let's hear what happens when I press button A. And when I press button B, it stops. See it on the screen. Button A and button B is stopped. Very good. So now I actually am going to plug my cord down into the breakout board. The breakout board has an on and off. So now that it's plugged in, you can see the microbit still has power. And now you can really end off. If you have any questions, find me in real life, and I'm happy to help.